Welcome to my channel.
Embrace each challenge as an opportunity. Opportunities often come disguised as challenges. In adversity, find the seeds of resilience. Resilience is the key that turns setbacks into comebacks. Rise from setbacks with unwavering courage. Courage is the bridge that leads to triumph over trials. Let your determination be louder than doubts. Drown out doubts with the roar of your determination. The journey to success begins with a single step. Take that step, and soon you'll be on your way to greatness. Dream big, work hard, and stay focused. Focus fuels the fire that turns dreams into reality. Turn obstacles into stepping stones of growth. Each obstacle overcome is a step closer to personal growth. Persist in the face of obstacles. Greatness awaits. Greatness is the reward for those who persist when faced with challenges. Your effort today is tomorrow's success story. Plant the seeds of effort today, and tomorrow will yield the fruits of success. Strive for progress, not perfection. Progress, no matter how small, leads to the perfection of your journey. In every failure, discover a lesson for success. Failures are the stepping stones that guide you towards success. Believe in yourself. You're stronger than you think. Strength lies within. Believe in yourself, and you'll overcome anything. Success is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the journey, for success is found in the experiences along the way. Challenge yourself, and you'll grow beyond limits. Growth happens beyond your limits. Embrace challenges with open arms. Stay committed, and success will follow. Commitment is the compass that guides you to the destination of success. Let passion be the fuel that propels you forward. Passion ignites the engine that drives you towards your goals. Chase your goals with relentless determination. Relentless determination is the wind beneath the wings of your aspirations. The road to success is paved with hard work and resilience. Hard work and resilience lay the foundation for the journey to success. Transform obstacles into opportunities for greatness. Opportunities for greatness arise when you transform obstacles with determination. Celebrate small victories on the path to your dreams. Each small victory is a milestone leading you closer to the realization of your dreams. Be the architect of your destiny. Shape it with determination. Determine your destiny by actively shaping it with purpose and determination. Every effort you invest is a step closer to triumph. Triumph is the culmination of every effort. Keep taking those steps forward. Dare to dream, and then work to make those dreams a reality. Dreams become reality through the sweat and determination of your hard work. Your potential is limitless. Unlock it with perseverance. Perseverance is the key that unlocks the boundless potential within you. See challenges as character-building moments. Character is forged in the fires of challenges. Embrace each moment as an opportunity to grow. Embrace change. It is the gateway to innovation and growth. Innovation and growth blossom when you welcome change with open arms. The harder you work, the luckier you become. Luck favors the diligent. The more you work, the luckier you'll find yourself. Believe in the beauty of your dreams. Pursue them relentlessly. Relentless pursuit turns the beauty of dreams into the reality of achievements. Your journey is unique. Comparison is the thief of joy. Joy is found in the uniqueness of your journey. Don't let comparison steal it away. Aspire, inspire, and never tire in the pursuit of your goals. Pursue your goals with unwavering energy, inspiring others and fueling your own aspirations.